Isang maulang hapon mga ka-diaries. Narito pong muli ang inyong nakwatchero Alvin Flores para sa isa na namang episode ng Bicycle Diaries. So talagang nandito na tayo. Napasabak na sa ganito, makulimlim pero maambon ng panahon. So alam niyo ba kung nasan ako? Pero sabihin ko sa inyo, it's holiday, August 30, 2023. Marcelo H. del Pilar Day. So ang buong Bulacan ay holiday. Nandito ako ngayon. Saan ba ako So nasaan ba ako ngayon? Nandito ako sa bayan ng Pulilan, Bulacan. At masyado na tayong napalayo So ganyan talaga. At nakapagsimula na tayong mag-distribute ng flyers, pero hinto muna tayo kasi umaambon, medyo lumalakas ang ang ulan. So maya-maya pagka medyo humupa yung ulan, ay itutuloy natin ang pag-flyer natin. So ayan, ano bang hinihintay natin? Larga na at saka ataw pa sa pag-flyering.
Truth, it doesn't matter cause we brainwashed in the youth. Poison the water and the sky, you know ya fool. Rules for thee and not for me, we are immune. We make the rules, so tell me what's the show surprise. We own the signs, you know we control supply, so that if you don't comply, you might stop or go cold tonight. Keep them shut, don't open eyes. Politicians have the closest ties, make everything overpriced, make the whole world go inside. Own the news and media, believe what
finally mga ka-diaries, natapos na tayo sa pag-flyering. So mukhang sa ibang araw na lang natin itutuloy yung yung pag-distribute ng flyers sa ibang bayan. Saka alam niyo naman yung panahon ngayon, medyo masungit, baka mas lalong lumakas pa yung ulan. So right now narito pa tayo sa bayan ng Pulilan, sa lalawigan ng Bulacan. Ayan. So ditong area ito ay itong pinili ko kasi nakita ko matao Kaya so hanggang sa muling pag-flyering natin, kita-kits sa susunod na video.
Trying to divide us, brought us closer together. People that normally never, just trying to make the world better. Doctors, ball players, scientists, actors, rabbis, preachers, deacons, pastors, singers and rappers, overcoming all their differences. The freedom to live your life regardless what your religion is. Masked up the children, shut down your businesses. Socially distancing didn't stop any sickness. Start listening to each other, witness what you discover. We all sisters and brothers, you do not get enough.